In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill with an image in Figma. Whether you're new to Figma or looking to refine your skills, this straightforward tutorial will get you up to speed in just 5 minutes. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool. This is your go-to application for creating stunning visuals and design prototypes collaboratively. Once you're on Figma's homepage, you'll see a login option. Click on it to access your Figma account. If you're not logged in yet, make sure to input your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on the homepage where all your recent projects and shared files are located. This is your main dashboard and the starting point for all the fantastic work you'll be creating. Now, let's move on to the design section. On the homepage, find the design option and click on it. This will take you to a blank canvas or a project you've already started. Here you can begin crafting your ideas or adjust existing ones. If you're new, you can start a new file to follow along smoothly. With your design space open, we're looking to add some flair by filling with an image. To begin this process, direct your attention to the top menu bar and find the image option. Clicking on this brings up several image related functionalities. From the options, click on Fill. This is where you'll designate how a selected shape or layer is filled with graphics, essentially setting the stage for your image integration. Once you've got your shape ready and the fill settings open, the next step is to click on Image within the fill options. You'll now notice an Upload from Computer option. This is where you will add your chosen image. Clicking here brings up the File Explorer. Navigate through your files until you find the desired image you wish to use. Selecting and uploading this image will cause it to fill the selected shape or layer on your Figma canvas, and there you have it, a seamless integration of an image into your Figma design. It's really as simple as that. This basic technique opens up the door to more complex design tasks, so feel free to explore and experiment with various fills and image overlays. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting with different images and fills, and your designs will become more intuitive and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.